Hello guys, thank you for clicking to this video and you are so much welcome to this channel. So don't forget to give me a like, and if you enjoy this content more, subscribe to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a monthly shopping haul, and I'm not only going to do that because I'll also be cleaning my fridge and restocking the fridge and organizing it and all that. I'll also be organizing my kitchen cabinets with you all, so stay tuned guys till the end of this video, and please subscribe to this channel.
I could get through to you, don't know what I do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong, and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, so just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, so just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face.
Something else, guys, is this rice. This is rice. I ordered this rice from Moya, all the way from Moya, and it came today. And it is 10 kgs rice of 10 kgs of pishori rice. So guys, I can't wait to try it. Inanukia already, inanukia poa sana. So I can't wait to try this one and see how it will, because I've tried to look for a good rice in Nairobi, but I can't seem to find, because zote zinakuanga tu bonoko. And I hope that this one is the legit one. And yeah, they were selling at good price, and the transport from there to Nairobi was just 100 Kenya shillings. And I'm happy I found these people. So all of this is rice. So apart from this, I had gone for grocery shopping yesterday, and I got a few things like eggs. I got, what else? Onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and all that. The grocery, some fruits. You will be seeing them after this video. I also got meat, 3 kgs of meat. I'll also be showing you all that.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hello guys, again. So this is the next day and I want to finish up this video. I got a few more things here that I got today that I want to show you, or rather to do a haul. And I'll also be organizing my fridge again because I got a few organizers here. I'm a plastic that I'll be using to organize my fridge. And I also did not manage, guys, to organize my cabinets. As you can see, everything is still here. The reason is because I was doing this video late in the night. Yeah, guys, I do.
Silence can't breathe, we are not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the